Good morning and thanks for this meeting. I have some questions about accessibility, and I guess what I should start asking is, what is web accessibility?
Good morning and thanks for your interest. To answer your question, web accessibility means that people with disabilities can use the web.
Could you be more specific?
Sure. More specifically, web accessibility means that people with disabilities can perceive, understand, navigate, interact with the web and contribute to the web.
What kind of disabilities are addressed by accessibility?
Web accessibility encompasses all disabilities that affect access to the web, including visual, auditory, physical, speech, cognitive, and neurological disabilities.
What are the advantages of considering accessibility?
Millions of people have disabilities that affect their use of the web. Currently, most websites and web software have accessibility barriers that make it difficult or impossible for many people with disabilities to use the web. As more accessible websites and software become available, people with disabilities are able to use and contribute to the web more effectively.
Who benefits from accessibility?
Web accessibility also benefits people without disabilities. For example, a key principle of web accessibility is designing websites and software that are flexible to meet different user needs, preferences, and situations. This flexibility also benefits people without disabilities in certain situations, such as people using a slow internet connection, people with temporary disabilities such as a broken arm, and people with changing abilities due to aging and differences in language spoken.
I see. So accessibility is not just for impaired people.
No, it benefits all. It is a misconception to think that just people with disabilities, or handicapped as we them erroneously, will benefit. Everyone benefits, absolutely everyone.
Thanks so much for this clarification. It has been really useful.
You are welcome and thanks again for your interest.